hydraulic piston, room for the punches and for the centering rings, universal rim mounting flange, tool holder, the lathe unit. You can move it back and forward and left and right. Emergency stop, start, pressure regulation system, manometer, start of rotation, emergency stop. You have to choose the wheel centering ring for the different internal diameter and fix it. Put the rim. Read the roundness of the rim with the precision dial gauge. Choose the extended tip holders and the punches. Start pressure. You have to move the lathe unit to the right position. And press the start button.